Welcome you all to today's video, children. This is Spoken English lesson 94. Happy to welcome you all to today's video. Let's continue the yesterday's topic, adverbs. Okay, adverbs of frequency. The girl asked the question, what about you? She wanted to know some information about the colleague. So she asked the question, what about you? Okay, what about you? Okay, she wanted to know some information. Let us see how the boy replies. I seldom have breakfast at home because I hardly ever have enough time to cook it. Here seldom and hardly are the adverbs. Okay, they denote the meaning never. I seldom have breakfast at home because I hardly ever have enough time to cook it. Let us see why he does not have any time to prepare the breakfast at home. Okay, he says, I wake up, rush to the bathroom. Okay, so after immediately waking up from the bed, he rushed to the bathroom. He did not relax himself on the bed. Okay, I wake up, rush to the bathroom, and he explains, grab a snack on my way out. So in the morning itself, he grabbed some snacks. Grab means taking something hurriedly. Okay, eating something hurriedly, taking something hurriedly. Grab a snack on my way out and hurry to work. So hurry means fast. Okay, doing something fast without any delay. And hurry to work. Okay, I often get to the office in the nick of the time. I often get to the office in the nick of the time. Here in the nick of the time means the end of the time. Okay, next one, I am a night owl. I always go to bed late. So he says he is a night owl. Night owl means, you know, the owl, the bird which wakes up at night. So he spends his time during night hours. Okay, he did not go to sleep earlier. Okay, the girl says, I suppose you go to bed early, right? So she advises the boy to go to bed early and sleep. I normally go to bed at 10. So the boy says, the girl says she usually go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. So here normally is an adverb. Okay, and I try to maintain the same schedule every day. She says, I try to maintain the same bedtime schedule every day. Okay, she tries to go to the bed by 10 o'clock every day. Okay, she follows it regularly. Even though she follows this strictly, sometimes I find myself crawling into bed around midnight. She also has some work during till the midnight. So she also goes to bed around midnight. Okay, but I still get up at 6 the next day. Even though she goes to the bed at midnight, she wakes up at 6 o'clock every day. So only she says that she is a morning bird. Okay, the boy asks, aren't you sleepy during the day in that case? Aren't you sleepy during the day in that case? In that case means sometimes she goes to the bed later. So in that case she may feel sleepy. Okay, the girl replies, I do feel sleepy ever now and then. I do feel sleepy every now and then. Okay, sometimes she may feel sleepy if she goes to the bed later. Okay, around midnight. Okay, I do feel sleepy every now and then, but usually drink coffee and keep going on. To keep herself refreshed, she usually drink coffee and keep going on. Here usually is an adverb. Okay, drink coffee and keep going on. Anyway, I am more productive at work in the morning rather than in the afternoon. She may productive at work in the morning. In the morning time she may be so active rather than in the afternoon. Comparing to the afternoon session, she is so active in the morning hours. Okay children, hope you do have understood. Let us see how she continues her topic, okay, in the next class. Thank you. Goodbye.